Good morning, student. Again, we will discuss the goodwill. See question number 30, page number 1, 3.151. A and B are partners sharing profit in the ratio 4:3. So, old ratio of AB, that is 4:3. C is admitted into the partnership and the new ratio is determined at 3:1. So new ratio between A is to B is to C. This new ratio is given 3:2:1. C does not pay anything for his share of goodwill. On the C admission, firm goodwill was valued at 84,000 pass general entry. So first we will calculate the new ratio already given. So we will calculate the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio, you know, old ratio minus new ratio. This is called sacrificing ratio. A old ratio 4/7 and new ratio 3/6. If we will take LCM, that is 42, 7 6 ja 42, 6 4 ja 24, 6 7 ja 42, 7 3 ja 21, that is 3/42. And B old ratio 3/7 minus 2/6, that LCM will be again 42, 7 6 ja 42, 6 3 ja 18 and 6 7 ja 42, 7 2 ja 14. So that is 4/42. So sacrificing ratio has come 3:4. This is the sacrificing ratio 3:4. Now we will pass the entry for this. On C admission, firm goodwill was valued 84,000. So firm goodwill is given 84,000 and new partner C ratio is 1/6. So C goodwill will be 84,000 into 1/6, that is 14,000. It is written C does not pay anything for his share of goodwill. So C not brought goodwill in cash. So this is the case. Goodwill not brought in cash. If goodwill is not brought in cash, so new partner current account debit to old partners capital account. New partner is the C. So C current account debit to A capital account and to B capital account. Now sacrificing ratio we know 3:4. C premium for goodwill is 14,000. So 14,000 into 3/7, that is 6,000 and 8,000. So this entry, only one entry will pass in this. Now see one more question related to goodwill, that is question number 36. Question number 36 and page number 3.153. A and B are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:1. So old ratio between A to B, that is given 3:1. C is admitted as a partner with 2/9. So C ratio, C is the new partner. C ratio, that is 2/9. A and B will be in future get 4/9 and 3/9 share of profit. New ratio is given, A new ratio, future ratio 4/9. B new ratio 3/9 and C ratio already you know 2/9. So new ratio has come 4:3:2. Now you can calculate the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio equal old ratio minus new ratio. So A old ratio is 3/4 minus A new ratio 4/9. LCM we will take 36. 4 9 ja 36, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, 4 4 ja 16. That is the 11/36. B old ratio 1/4 minus 3/9. LCM will be 36. 4 9 ja 36, 9 4 ja 36, 4 3 ja 12. That it will come minus 3/36. This is the case of gain. And C has not make any sacrifice. C also has gain. C is the new partner. So C ratio 2/9 and converted into 36. So multiply 4/4, 8/36. This is also gain. Now you check, gaining ratio is always equal to sacrificing ratio. So A has sacrificed 11/36 and B and C both are gaining. So both will pay the premium for goodwill. C pay 20,000 for goodwill. So C goodwill for 2/9. C ratio is the 2/9. and for this proportion C has paid the goodwill 20,000. For 2/9 portion, C has paid the goodwill 20,000. So firm goodwill this will be reverse one, 20,000 into 9/2, that is 90,000. B is also gaining, so B will also pay for goodwill. So B goodwill 90,000 into 3/36, 1/12, so 7,500, 3 12 are 36, 12 7 are 84, and 60, 12 5 are 60. So here C will pay 20,000 in cash, and B will not pay the premium for goodwill in cash because B is the old partner. So from his capital account it will be adjusted. So you will pass the entry cash account debit to premium for goodwill C has paid the amount of goodwill in cash 20,000. So this will be 20,000, and secondly will be premium for goodwill account debit and B capital account debit. To A capital account, only A has made the sacrifice. So C premium for goodwill is the 20,000 and B premium for goodwill is the 7,500. So total A will get 27,500. Thank you, students.